What if imagination had no limits? What if with a single line of text you could paint galaxies, sculpt cities, or capture emotions beyond reality? Welcome to the dawn of AI art. Imagine typing a single word and watching a masterpiece unfold. Imagine creating art without brushes, without canvas, only pure imagination, transformed by artificial intelligence. AI art tools are not just technology trends, they are a revolution. With algorithms trained on billions of images, they learn styles, mimic brushstrokes, and blend creativity with code. From digital transformation in design to new opportunities for artists, entrepreneurs, and storytellers, AI innovation is reshaping the future of jobs, creativity, and expression. But with great power comes questions. Who owns AI art? What about originality, creativity, ethics? Will AI replace the artist or empower them? The answer lies not in machines, but in how we choose to use them. In the end, AI art is not about replacing human creativity, it is about amplifying it. It is a tool, a partner, a mirror of our imagination. Perhaps, the greatest masterpieces of the future will not be made by humans or machines alone, but by both, creating together. Comment, subscribe, and like. Thanks for watching.